Hey guys, what's happening? What's that? Oh, you want to know how to install WordPress? Well, I can tell you now, it's dead easy. And I'm going to show you just how easy it is. So come with me and let's get started. Okay guys, so let's get started. We are now going to install WordPress. There are different ways of installing WordPress. There's locally and there's also via the provider. I'm going to go via the provider for today. Now my personal preference is Fasthosts. So you just type in Fasthosts. There we go, Fasthosts. And now you probably need to make an account, but the first thing you got to do obviously is find your domain name and see if it's available. So I'm just going to type in here, let's have a look, I'm going to type in sample site, let's see if that's available. Click search. Just a sample site, you know that's taken. Okay, so let's try a different one. This is going to be your main problem, is finding your domain name. It could be a bit of a pain to find the domain name that you want. Right, so we've got samplewebsite.co.uk, that's available. Now we're going to buy that. As you can see, there's a welcome offer there. It's a £1. Now that's for a year. If you hover over that, it'll tell you there. UK domains are discounted to £1 for a single year, registrations, newcomers, blah blah blah. So let's add that to the basket, and what you will see is if you go into your basket like that, click on the basket. Now it'll give you an option for your, obviously you just bought the domain, so you now need hosted. It needs to be hosted. So if you click on this web hosting here, WordPress hosting, again you can get it for £1 for 6 months. So that's going to cost you £2 to set up your website. So we're going to click on add to order, and then we're going to click continue to checkout. So as you can see, it'll give you a price of £1.20 altogether. Now that's for the first 6 months. After that first 6 months, it'll probably cost you about £5-6 a year, a month. Sorry, about £5-6 a month. So click on continue to checkout. I'm already a member, so I'm just going to log in. So I'll just click on log in. So I'll just log in and get back to you in a minute. Okay, so if you've not already got your account, once you click on continue from the basket, you'll create your account, and then it will create an account for you. As I said, I already got an account, so I'm just going to click on log in, and what will happen then is you'll complete the purchase. So that's going to cost me £1.20. So click continue to checkout and pick your payment method. Mine's already in there. I've read in accept agreements, confirm and pay. So you just bought your hosting and your domain, or your domain and your hosting. That's the first step towards building your website. So it's just placing the order. Right, now once that's in, you click on manage your domain names, which is here. So you click on that. These are all my domains here. So I'm going to click on WordPress hosting on the side here. These are all my domains here. This is the one that I just bought here. So you just click on add website. You've got there WordPress Go. So add existing package. And then you click on set up your website. Choose a domain I've already registered in my account. So you click on that. And there it is, sample website. So you click on that and you select domain. Now it'll set up your settings and your dashboard for your WordPress website. Now this will take a while, so I'll come back to you in a minute when it's done. Okay, so your WordPress has now been installed and you are ready to go. So there are different ways of logging into your WordPress dashboard, which I'm going to show you now. The first one is by logging into Fasthosts and click on WordPress hosting, and it will bring up your websites here. This is one we just created. So you click on the arrow for your website that you want to work on, and it'll open up your web space. From here, you can do all kinds of things like set up an email address, which we'll do at a later date, and all kinds of other stuff, which we'll go through at a later date. But for now, you're going to click on WordPress admin, and that will bring up your dashboard. So that's how you log onto your dashboard via Fasthosts. So you can log in through there. So if you hover over here now, and you click on visit site, it'll show you what your website looks like at the moment, because we've not done anything to it yet. But what I want to do is to show you how to log in via the website itself. So what we shall do is log out of this dashboard for now. Close that. And I'm also going to log out of Fasthosts. So now we're going to access the website. So I'm just going to paste in the website because I've already done that. So we're going to click on paste. Now this is your website at the moment, as it looks like. Not very good, is it? But we shall change that. So what you do is at the end of your website address here at the top, you put a / and you type in WP-admin, and then you click OK, and it will take you into your login details. This is how you'll enter your WordPress dashboard via your website. Okay, so you just type in your username and password, which you set up previously. I'll just type the password in. And then once you've done that, click login. And there you are. You're now on your WordPress dashboard. So that is how you install WordPress. Watch out for my other videos. I'm going to teach you how to build the site itself, go through all the settings, how you can actually build the pages. I'm going to teach you all other kinds of stuff as well. But don't forget to hit subscribe at the bottom, and you'll get more videos on how to maximize your chances of being found on Google. So I will catch you later. Okay, thanks for now. Bye. So now you know how to install WordPress. Watch out for my next videos. My next videos, I'm going to show you how to use WordPress. I'm going to show you how to build pages. I'll show you how to edit pages. I'll show you how to install plugins. I'll show you how to optimize your chances of getting onto Google. I'll teach you SEO. Lots more to come. Watch out for it. Bye for now.